Somfy is basically a French company that has been established almost 40 years back in France, and they have very strong roots in European nations. And it's been almost 15 years since we have started in India. Somfy basically deals in multiple verticals. One of that is solar shadings management, where we contribute to create a greener environment by doing automated solar shading solutions. The idea behind this is to create a dynamic facade wherein we provide an automated solar shading system which cuts out excess heat and glare coming from the sun, thus allowing only diffused light to come inside the building, and thus eliminating the workspace, maintaining the proper lux levels, and still cutting out the heat portion so you don't have excess heat coming into the building. So no extra load on HVAC and no extra load on artificial lighting. Today more and more green buildings are coming up. So there is a need to create an intelligent system which can actually help you to use maximum of the natural resources here and less of artificial resources. So by using this system you allow only natural light, which is diffused light, not direct sunlight, which has no glare, to come inside the building, so you don't have to put extra load on your artificial lighting systems. There are some sensor based systems, some occupancy sensors, some daylight sensors which sense the level of light inside the building, and also there are some outside sensors which sense the level of light outside the building. So we have a pre-programmed system wherein we define the lux levels that has to be maintained inside the building. So based on that pre-programmed and the feedback from the sensors, automatically the light levels are adjusted from the artificial light. So the light intensity does not need to be 100% from the artificial side. It has to be only maybe say 20% or 30%. So in that case we save lighting energy. And same when you cut out heat, you allow your AC to run only for a minimum time, not for a maximum time. So you save energy on HVAC also. And thus this also provides the user comfort, which is the main agenda of any building. Thank you.